Okay, so recording has been started. So in today's lecture, we will see the concat and concat w underscore ws operator. Okay, so what does concat do? As per name suggests, it just it just do concating of the things. Means it joins two strings. All right. So suppose my first name is Satyam. Okay, my first name is Satyam and my last name is Kumar. Okay, so what does concat do? Concat will, when I apply concat operator on that, it will just add these two strings. So my name will be Satyam Kumar. Concat with a space. If I join with a space, so this is concat operator. All right, this is what it will do. So let me share you one example. So okay, so let me show you one example. Just I'm removing all these stuffs for better understanding. So I'm just doing limit 2. So just I'm running this thing and I'm running this thing as well. So you can see here, I just want which order is with what order status. I want order ID and order status to be concatenated with a dash. With a dash means, suppose your order ID is 1 and its status is closed, then how should you display? It will display 1 dash closed. Okay, like 2 dash pending payment, like this. So how will you do? How will you? So let me let me let me do that. Just a minute. So the syntax is very simple. You will apply, just remove that, and now what will you do? You will just apply select concat operator. Okay, and just apply the first column name, order id comma, and the separator string, and that is hyphen. Okay, separated by a hyphen, and then the last string, order status. And now you are done from retail db2 dot orders. All right, so now just run it and you will see it is there. But I don't want this header to be displayed. I want order id and status, like this I want to display, so I put the aliasing on that column. Okay, so now when you run it, you will see it, order id and the status, and with every order id my status is attached with a separator of hyphen. Got it? So it's a very simple thing. You will put the concat operator followed by your first string, then the separator string, and then your last string. If you want to separate it by space, then put a space on in the middle of that, and you will see it is separated by the space now. One space closed, two space pending payment, like that. Okay,
If you put equal symbol,
if you put equal to, then equal to, then it will show equal to. Okay,
oh, okay.
whatever the string you will put, but just put in the single or double inverted comma. Okay,
Yes, yes.
this is the main case. So this was the case with the concat operator. Okay, this was the case with the concat operator, but it has its limitation. What the limitation is? It the concat operator can't join more than two columns. Okay, it can't uh, it can't concatenate more than two columns. For more than two columns, concat underscore ws was introduced. Okay, concat underscore ws was introduced. So it will concatenate more than two columns, but its syntax is slightly different. Slightly different, not too much different, but slightly different. So if you want, suppose if you want the order ID, the customer ID, and the order status, all three are separated by underscore or hyphen or just hyphen, then how will you do? Then just apply concat ws, and then the first string will be this one. Okay, the first argument will be this one, and then the first column name, the second column name, and the third column name. Order customer ID. All right, this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. Okay, and you will see ID, cust, and status. Okay, and just run it. Just you are done with it. So simple. And you can see this is the order ID. One is the order ID. 11599 is the order customer ID, and this is the order status, separated by a hyphen. If you want to put space in that, just put the space. So simple, so simple. Okay, if you want to put equal to sign, it will put equal to sign in the place of that. So for with concat ws, you can join n number of strings, n number of strings. Also if you join, if you want to, suppose if you want to display this is retail db in front of with starting with the starting string, just apply the starting string. Okay, just apply it before that. Okay, so now it will what it will do, it will just add retail db before every string. Okay, did you get this? If you want a, a solid string to be applied on every row, then you can put just in front, just ever just sorry, whenever you are, wherever the position you want, and it will concatenate everything. So for two, so just to summarize, for two column to be concatenated, just use concat operator. Okay, for two columns, and for multiple columns, just use concat ws. But concat ws can be used with the two columns as well. How will you do?
Sir, WS means?
Ws means, I think it's a I don't know. Concat ws, even I don't know. I need to google it.
Yes, sir. Just a second.
Concat ws meaning, contiguous, no, ws meaning, ws with separator. Okay, it's a with separator. Okay, and makes sense, it's a with separator. Okay, means more than one separation. Okay, with separation means this one. How will it separate? It will separate by equal to sign. One more thing, concat you can use for concat ws for two as well. Okay, so just use, it's your choice if you want to use for two or not. Just do concat underscore ws underscore ws concat underscore ws. Just a minute. Concat underscore ws, and just put the same order. See, concat, in concat ws, remember, the string will, the separator will come at the first. This is the difference. and in concat operator the separator, because it is 2, the separator will be in the middle. Okay, and this is the difference, and you can see this is working. So this is the thing what I wanted to tell you for today's class. So from tomorrow we'll see new topic, so just wait for that. So the viewers who are watching this video, kindly do like, subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.